How do you delete photos from Google Drive? First, open Google Drive and sign in with your Gmail account. Then click on the three dots next to the image you want to delete. Then scroll and click on Remove option. Then click on Move to Bin option. And if you want to delete multiple images, then select the images. Then click on the three dots in the upper corner. Then click on Remove option. Then click on Move to Bin option. Then click on the menu option on the top left side. Then click on Bin option. Then click on Empty Bin option. Then click on Delete Forever option. Note that the images have been permanently deleted from your Google Drive. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel.